Solve the differential equation xy prime minus y is equal to the square root of x squared minus y squared. This is a homogeneous differential equation, but first we'll need to prove that it is. So we will write y prime as dy over dx and transpose the negative y to the right hand side, so we'll have y plus the square root of x squared minus y squared. Then evaluate the equation. You'll have x dy is equal to y plus the square root of x squared minus y squared dx. Now we have our m of xy, which is the x dy, and the n of xy, which is y plus the square root of x squared minus y squared. Then the next step, we'll find the t of m of xt and m of xtyt and n of xtyt. If their t's have the same degree, then we can conclude that it is a homogeneous differential equation. So substitute, we'll have xt on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we'll have yt plus the square root of x squared t squared plus y squared t squared. We have a common factor of t squared, so the square root of t squared will be equal to t, so the equation will be yt plus t square root of x squared plus y squared. Again, they have the common factor t, so t times y plus the square root of x squared plus y squared. They both have the same degree, so we can conclude that it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now we are ready to solve. First, we let y be equal to ux, then find its derivative, which will be equal to dy is equal to u dx plus x du. Substitute this to the original equation, we'll get x u dx plus x du is equal to ux plus the square root of x squared plus u squared x squared. Then we manipulate first the right hand side. We have a common factor, which is x, then the square root of x squared, then the square root of x squared is just x, so the equation will be ux plus x square root of u squared plus 1. Then they have a common factor, which is x, so the equation will become x u plus square root of u squared plus 1. So this is common, so we can cancel out. Then we have the equation, what's left is the u plus the square root of u squared plus 1 dx. Evaluate the dx, we'll have u dx plus square root of u squared plus 1 dx. We also have u dx on the left hand side, so we can cancel this, and what's left is just x du is equal to the square root of u squared plus 1 dx. We can solve this by using variable separable, so we'll have dx over x is equal to du over the square root of u squared plus 1. Evaluate, we got ln of x is equal to the inverse sine of u. Our u is equal to y over x, so inverse sine of y over x plus c. Solve for y, we got y is equal to x sine ln x minus c.